sensitivity. Understanding the core principles of gender sensitivity and its importance in acknowledging diverse gender identities and rules. Recognize and apply gender sensitivity within various contexts, such as home, school, or workplace, and interaction with peers. Critically analyze gender representation, it mass media identifying stereotype biases and their impact on societal perceptions of gender. In an era characterized by fast societal changes, the issue around gender have assumed heightened importance. The influence of gender on our perceptions and interaction is evident in various domains, including our residences, educations, institutions, professional environments, and in the widespread mass media. This chapter explores the concept of gender sensitivity and its significant influence on individuals and society. Gender sensitivity can promote inclusiveness, question preconceived notions, and establish a fair global society. Gender sensitivity is a concept of paramount significance that diverges into the intricate understanding and recognitions of social cultural norms and discriminatory practices surrounding gender. Its fundamental mission is to shed light on the distinct rights, rules, and obligations that individuals possess based on their gender within a given community. It seeks to uncover the complex dynamics that interlink these rules and relationships. Exploration navigates through four vital domains: our homes, educational, and professional settings, interactions among peers, and the pervasive realm of mass media.
Gender sensitivity at home. Gender sensitivity at home can transform our understanding of gender roles and relationships. Family dynamics can either perpetuate deeply entrenched stereotypes or challenge them. A gender-sensitive home environment encourages open conversations, fair responsibilities, and redefine traditional notions. Gender sensitivity at home means understanding and respecting that everyone has their own way of expressing themselves, whether they are male or female. It should about breaking old habits and creating a home where everyone feels supported and treated fairly. Gender sensitivity at the workplace. Gender sensitivity within the workplace facilitates an environment wherein every employee is valued and respected. A gender-sensitive workplace should include equal pay, flexible work arrangement, and anti-harassment policies. It should also promote work-life balance and support for pregnant employees. Gender sensitivity at workplace means ensuring fairness and respect for all employees regardless of gender. It's about recognizing and removing gender bias while giving equal opportunities to everyone. When workplaces value both men and women equally, employees become happier, more motivated, and more productive. Gender sensitivity at school. Gender sensitivity within the educational setting plays a pivotal role in shaping the attitudes and perceptions of the next generations. School can serve as both a reflection of prevailing societal norms and a catalyst for transformative change. A gender-sensitive school environment actively promotes inclusive education, equal opportunities, and safe spaces. Gender sensitivity at school means creating a learning environment where everyone feels respected and valued, no matter their gender. Teachers and students should treat each other equally and avoid gender bias. This helps all students feel safe, confident, and able to reach their full potential.
Gender sensitivity among peers. Gender sensitivity among peers lays the foundation for respectful egalitarian relationships, challenge stereotypes, and nurture sympathy. Key elements includes respect for pronouns, exclusive language, challenging stereotypes, and supportive friendships. Ang gender sensitive ang first is importante kayo para maghimo og relasyon pasabot sa ani nga kabalo ta mo respeto sa tanang klase sa gender ug dili ta magbuhat og mga daotang istorya paglantaw batok sa uban. Ginabuhat ni nato pinaagi sa paggamit og mga pulo nga walay gipili, pagrespeto sa gusto nga pronoun sa usa ka tawo, pagpakita og suporta sa tanang klase sa pagkakaibigan o pagsaway sa mga stereotype o daan nga hunahuna nga sayon bahin sa gender. Sa ingani nga paagi mas magtinabangay ug mas magkasinabtanay ang tanan. Gender sensitivity in mass media. Gender sensitivity in mass media plays a pivotal role in shaping societal perceptions, dismantling norms, and advocating for equitable representation. A gender-sensitive approach includes diverse representation, empowering characters, promotion of consents, avoiding objectification, and challenging narratives. Ang gender sensitivity sa mass media is importante gyapon kayo kay naa siya dakong epekto sa kung sa kung unsaon nato pagtan-aw sa lalaki ug babae sa atong katilingban. Dapat patas ang pagpakita sa mga karakter nga dili lang guro lalaki o babae kundi lain-lain klase sa mga tawo nga makahatag og inspirations. Ang media dapat magpakita og respeto, dili magtanaw sa tawo, isip butang, ug dapat supakon ang mga daotang istorya o stereotype bahin sa gender. Kung ingani ang ipakita sa media, makatabang kini aron mas patas ug bukas ang hunahuna sa tinuod nga pagkapareho ug respeto sa matag usa.
Stricter stability of social culture norms and discrimination practice. Pinapakita ang gender sensitive o pamamagitan ng ugalian at gawin sa lipunan ng discrimination. Describe niya ang isang ugalian at gawin ng sensitivity o pamamagitan ng sensitibo. Domains like home, education, workplace, play, and production, and mass media we can promote inclusive, changing stereotype and provide the way for an equal society. Kagaya naman ng pinapakita ang sa pamamagitan ng iba't ibang larangan gaya ng paaralan. Ito ay sangkop din po sa isang gawin ng mga guro at ang workplace naman po ay isang trabaho upang makatuon ang mga tao paano sila makikipagsalamuha at media maaari na din isulong ang pagkakapantay-pantay kagaya ng stereotype at isang bagay o home education frameworks kung saan ito ang stereotypes sa isang society. Gender responsive is a framework encompass that make sure recognition and accommodation of the distance assumption rules needs and instructors of human men, girls, and boys. Ang gender responsibility ay isang paraan o palagkas ng kumilala at isinalang-alang ang iba't ibang pamamagitang papel at sitwasyon ng mga babae, lalaki at batang babae at batang lalaki. It helps in disseminating gender substance response, gender difference, and adapting structures, system, and methodology. Layunin nito alisin ang mga hadlang batay sa kasarian, igalang ang pagkakaiba't iba ng bawat isa at buuin ang mga sistema o paraan upang magiging patas at angkop para sa lahat ng mga kasarian.